Ladies and gentlemen, moments after Parliament was adjourned, sign a die without much work being done over the last 19 days, only 12 bills being passed and only one with discussion, the Home Minister and the Prime Minister are meeting. And their meeting in Parliament itself is what we are being told. Let me try and go straight across to our reporters who are joining us live on the story. Pragya, what is this meeting about?
Well, Shreya, this is a very significant meeting given the fact that there was no work, no business as such, as far as debates are concerned, questions are concerned, have taken place. And in fact, the meeting has just got over and Home Minister has come out of Prime Minister's chamber and he has gone to his chamber. It also, what we are given to understand that there is a lot of issues that were discussed in the meeting, and in fact, something also related to what has transpired in the session and in the House as well. Where someone asked Home Minister whether there will be a special session or will delimitation bill will come in winter session, to which he said that whenever it will happen, you will come to know, and we will also let you know. So, there are some important decisions, policy decisions. There are some policies that are needed, that were in fact needed to be passed in this particular session. They were hoping that delimitation and right to women in politics, which is women reservation bill, could have been passed, but all those plans had to be, put on hold because there was because there was a lot of chaos in the session, and government wanted a extensive, broad debate on all these topics before it is being brought in. So, it looks like that the opposition prevailed this time on the government, and the ruckus that was created has forced the hand of the government to say that the FCR bill has been sent to JPC and both delimitation and women reservation could not be introduced this time.
All right. We'll leave it there for the moment as we speak. The Prime Minister and the Home Minister of the country in Parliament in a huddle at a time when the Parliament has been adjourned, sign a die without much work being done in this session. Meanwhile, on the last day, there was a major political slugfest on the floor of the Rajya Sabha over a controversial Shuddhikaran or a purification ceremony that was conducted in Uttarakhand. Now, this is what the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has claimed in the Rajya Sabha. He says that he was in Uttarakhand's Haldwani. This is where he was holding a rally. And once the rally finished on August 8th, there was a purification ceremony that was allegedly done by the Shri Ram Sene Dharmarth Seva Nyas, a group that the Congress is claiming is linked to the BJP. The Congress chief is saying that this purification yagna was conducted on the very stage where he had given his speech. Mr. Kharge slammed the move as an exposure of an anti-Dalit mindset and said that this was an act of caste prejudice. The opposition, of course, erupting in protest, but Union Minister JP Nadda then stepped up and responded. He condemned what happened in Uttarakhand. He called the incident unfortunate. He also says that the BJP was not behind it. Rajya Sabha Chair C.P. Radhakrishnan also intervened. Let's take a look.
मैंने किसी समाज का, किसी धर्म का नाम नहीं लिया, सिर्फ मैं लोगों के समस्याओं को वहां पर बताया। लेकिन मेरे स्पीच होने के बाद कल वो लोग, बीजेपी के लोग सब मिलके हवन करके उस स्टेज का शुद्धिकरण करने का काम किए। ये you might have read in the newspaper. Is it the way in democracy? How you are protecting the Constitution?
Sir, please let them. Yes, let them respond.
सर, जो माननीय खड़गे जी ने कहा है, ये सच में बहुत ही दुखदाई विषय है और ये दुखदाई सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए नहीं, ये दुखदाई हम सब के लिए है। बीजेपी, क्योंकि खड़गे साहब ने कहा कि बीजेपी के लोग थे, मैं स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं, यहां राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी भी बैठे हैं और मैं भी पूर्व राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष रहा हूं। बीजेपी डज नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू सच एक्टिविटीज, नेवर। लेकिन आपने कहा है, हम इसकी तहकीकात भी करेंगे, लेकिन मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं।
Secretary, you take your seat.
Meanwhile, the Congress party, as expected, has launched a blistering attack on the BJP, saying the act reflects the entrenched anti-Dalit mindset in the BJP. They, in fact, now are demanding that the Prime Minister condemn the incident and apologize for it.
ये जो मानसिकता है उसका प्रदर्शन है कि बीजेपी की विचारधारा क्या है, आरएसएस की विचारधारा क्या है। इसका खंडन होना चाहिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी को इसका खंडन करना चाहिए और माफी मांगनी चाहिए। ये क्या तरीका है?
Whose government is there in Uttarakhand? Every question is being asked to the opposition, and even you don't accept that. Whatever has happened, no educated person, no civilized person today will accept this kind of this thing. And they are not some group of people. They are the group sponsored by BJP, supported by BJP, and promoted by BJP. And this is the clear, true color of BJP. This is how they create hatredness. After all, this political DNA comes from British government, and they know how to divide and rule.
उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर 2012 से 2017 तक पीडीए के जननायक समाजवादी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष, हम लोगों के नेता आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी मुख्यमंत्री थे। 17 में जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हुकूमत सत्ता में आती है तो मुख्यमंत्री आवास को गंगा जल से धुलवाने का काम किया जाता है। आदरणीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी जब कन्नौज में अपने संसदीय क्षेत्र में दर्शन के लिए जाते हैं तो उस मंदिर को गंगा जल से धुलवाने का काम किया जाता है। उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री महाराजगंज की दलित बस्ती में जाते हैं तो दलित बस्ती में साबुन और शैम्पू बांटने का काम किया जाता है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी केवल नारे में दलित, शोषित, पीड़ित, वंचित वर्ग के लोग हैं। एक गरीब का बेटा दलित परिवार से आने वाले अगर वो कांग्रेस पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हो गए, ये शायद भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हजम नहीं हो रहा है। और अगर वो चले गए वहां किसी मैदान में, उसका
भाजपा, आरएसएस, इनकी सरकार पर, इनकी विचारधारा पर धिक्कार है कि आज के दिन जहां एक और ये तिरंगा यात्रा निकालने की बात करते हैं और जगह जगह इस तरह के कार्य करते हैं, वहीं पर हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष, जिनको दुनिया मानती है, जिनको देश मानता है और हमारे संविधान ने एक हमें अधिकार दिया है समानता का, आज उसकी धज्जियां उड़ रही हैं। भाजपा शासित प्रदेश में, उत्तराखंड में, जहां पर ये बड़े बड़े दावे करते हैं, खड़गे जी ने जहां पर जिस जगह पर उन्होंने रैली की, हम सब ने की वहां पर, और उसको ये शुद्धिकरण, किस बात का शुद्धिकरण? शुद्धिकरण तो उत्तराखंड का होना चाहिए कि ऐसी विचारधारा, ऐसी सोच, ऐसी नीच सोच जो इन लोगों की है, शुद्धिकरण उत्तराखंड का होना चाहिए कि ऐसे लोग वहां पर आज के दिन शासन कर रहे हैं।
Meanwhile, we are hearing from the BJP as well. Let's take a look.
खड़गे जी बुजुर्ग हैं। खड़गे जी ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातों को क्यों उठाते हैं? वो सफाई कर रहा था, गंदगी की इनके अथी के कारण जो रैली या कुछ किए थे, तो गंदगी की सफाई हो रही थी। तो सफाई करेगा, उसको धर्म से जोड़ देंगे, उसको जात से जोड़ देंगे। ये उचित नहीं है। खड़गे जी, आप बुजुर्ग हैं, आप राहुल गांधी की तरह मत कीजिए। ये बहुत ओछी बात है। खड़गे जी जैसा महान नेता अगर ये ओछी बात करेंगे, पता कर लेते। वो सफाई कर रहे थे।
Okay, so there are two versions to the same event. Let's see how the story progresses. Meanwhile, the monsoon session of Parliament has ended, and after weeks of disruption and political showdowns, there is very little to show for it. There was only 19% productivity for the Lok Sabha, about 31% for the Rajya Sabha. Today, as you know, was the final sitting, but even before the houses could get down to any business, well, the Congress got down to some monkey business. Political protests back outside with the NDA and opposition staging their own shows at Makardwar. ND MPs demanded answers from Rahul Gandhi over double standards on Jharkhand's protest. The opposition, meanwhile, arrived with a different kind of prop, a toy monkey, and a sharp message for the government. Take a look, listen in.
Well, it's the last day of the parliament today, and again what we see is that protest versus protest. On one hand, we see the NDA MPs protesting at Makardwar, and they are demanding Rahul Gandhi to respond on the lathi charge on students in Jharkhand, and they are holding placard which says Congress Party Jawab Do, Rahul Gandhi Jawab Do. And you can see that how exactly they are mocking Home Minister Amit Shah and the government over here. So clearly, and this is in response to Rahul Gandhi's statement, and he said that unka gubara fat gaya hai, and he spoke this about Home Minister Amit Shah, and you can see how they have brought in monkey over here. On the other hand, you can see that how exactly the NDA MPs have sat down at the Makardwar. So the showdown is expected. They have clearly stated they will not allow the opposition MPs to go inside the parliament, and you can see that how exactly they are sitting. So it remains to be seen what exactly will happen when the parliament convenes at 11 a.m. But in the end, it's a taxpayers' money that is being wasted.
56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन के अंदर 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन के अंदर 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन में आओ 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन के अंदर 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन के अंदर 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन में आओ 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन के अंदर 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन के अंदर 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन में आओ 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन के अंदर 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन के अंदर 56 इंच का छोटा बंदर जल्दी आओ सदन में आओ.
So as you can see, Makardwar once again had turned into a political battleground. It was the final day of the session. It saw yet another face-off at Makardwar, not just what you're seeing on your screens. NDA and opposition MPs came face to face as both sides staged parallel protests, each taking aim at the other. The ruling party MPs raised the Jharkhand students issue, while the opposition protested over alleged irregularities in the Ram temple donations. Okay, going back to the monkey business in Parliament, you're seeing those pictures there. Pawan Khera leading that monkey protest, as it were. There were several opposition MPs who participated in this monkey protest, but there are some in the Congress who are now divided, saying that this wasn't really required. This was hitting below the belt. First, listening to Pawan Khera, who led the monkey protest, and then those who were not in agreement in the opposition.
नहीं, मैं समझता हूँ कि हम लोगों को हमेशा जो सदन की और एक संसद सदस्य की जो गरिमा है उसको हमेशा ध्यान रखना चाहिए.
टेडी बियर वाले बंदर और ये सब लेके आए थे, नारेबाजी हुई, कैसे देखते हैं सर?
नहीं, मैं समझता हूँ कि हम लोगों को हमेशा जो सदन की और एक संसद सदस्य की जो गरिमा है उसको हमेशा ध्यान रखना चाहिए.
टेडी बियर वाले बंदर और ये सब लेके आए थे, नारेबाजी हुई, कैसे देखते हैं सर?
नहीं, मैं समझता हूँ कि हम लोगों को हमेशा जो सदन की और एक संसद सदस्य की जो गरिमा है उसको हमेशा ध्यान रखना चाहिए.
Okay, we have the Samajwadi Party.